Hello guys, my friend has an exhibition of her photos today, so I'm going to support her. And I also bought her these, are they pink tulips? Because they looked the best. I wanted like the mix of the tulips, but they were pricey, so I bought these because they were cheaper and I wanted to buy the white ones, but they were so like dirty, and this one were like more in bloom, so I took this one. Also, I want to like wrote her a little congratulation card and attach it on the tulips with a ribbon. I just came back from Bratislava. I was there to film a report with my friend for one of our classes, and we filmed it in like half an hour, and then we talked for an hour and a half. So it was really nice. I was a little bit stressed because it was like foreign environment for me, and I didn't know what to expect about this like event we went to. But it was nice and it was really quick. I thought that it would be quick, but I wasn't expecting it to be that quick. But then we talked for an hour and a half, so it was nice. We played like this game when you ask the questions and both of you have to answer. So it was quality time for two of us. It's Friday morning, 10 a.m. and I'm going again to Bratislava. And I'm going to study with my friend because we have this presentation on Monday. So that's my program for today. In the afternoon, I'm going with another friend on this little trip to this pretty castle. So this will be a really exhausting day, I feel. Today is such a beautiful day outside, and I keep pressuring myself to go out to film something or to do something entertaining so you could watch my vlog. But I had such a crazy week, and I did something each day from morning to evening, and I wasn't resting. So I feel like today is like a little bit of recharging day, although I'm not doing anything. I cooked lunch and I watched the lessons on Netflix and some YouTube videos, and that's it. That's my day, what I did. So maybe tomorrow I could film something more interesting. I'm thinking about going to a cafe tomorrow in the afternoon to journal for a bit and to read Beljar. I haven't started reading it, but I want to so much. And I'm finally in the mood because my friend gave it to me like 4 months ago or 5 months ago, and I wanted to read it so much, but I wasn't in the mood because I know that it will be depressing. But now I feel like I want to read something depressing. So I'm finally excited to read it. I have a presentation on Monday, so I have to like learn my speech, and I know that I will be stressed, but I won't dare to give a presentation because I want to practice this stress I'm having about like presentations and talking in front of people and stuff like that. So I'm stressed. So I have to like learn my speech tomorrow and then give the presentation on Monday. And that's basically it for the couple of days. For my couple of days that are approaching, and then it's Easter and I'm going home for a little bit of holidays, so I'm excited to see my more extended family maybe. I just came back from the school, and I'm after my presentation, which I mentioned previously, and it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. It wasn't a disaster, and they told us that we really gave a good presentation. So I was glad that I could like try my presentation skills, which are none. But I was stressed in the morning, but when we were standing in front of the whole class, it was better. And when we finished our presentation, it was even more better. They gave us 14 points out of 15, which is good, I think. And it was a really nice experience. And I'm glad I can push myself forward a bit more